Hey, what's up, y'all? You're in Fred's Kitchen, and I'm about to start my brine for my turkey. So, just a quick note of what you need: whole onion, couple of lemons, sea salt. I got some basil, some minced garlic, some peppercorn, some thyme, some oregano, some rosemary, and some more thyme. So what I'm going to do is just pop open the herb packages, and using them this way is pretty cool. But what you want to do is you want to chop them up to release some of these oils in it, just so that you get the full flavor of all of these beautiful herbs in your turkey. And also, what we're going to brine the turkey in, I've got a 5-gallon bucket, and I just put cold water in it to like bottom level, because once you put the turkey in, it's going to raise the level. So I've got my oregano, and I'm putting it in there. And I got my rosemary. And fresh rosemary smells so good. Take that rosemary. Oh, all the stalks. Take this rosemary and you put it in there. Peppercorn. You want at least 4 tablespoons. Inside of your palm should be a full tablespoon. And minced garlic, you want 3 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3. And do not shirk on your herbs. Your onion, you just want to cut the ends off. Peel that skin and pop it in quarters. And drop that in there. Your lemons, cut the ends off. Down the side, down the side, down the side. And one more. And the last, well, not the last, but the thyme. Put that in there. Take your basil. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. And your sea salt, because this is what it takes for a moist bird. Let me take this one off. And of course it's coarse. And I'm saying put a cup of sea salt in your water. And I'm watching it because it's piling up right in the top of the herbs, so I can see how much I'm putting in there. And that's that. And you want to get a big slotted spoon, and you want to stir your mixture up. So I'm going to take my turkey out of its wrapper and put her in the bucket. Make sure your turkey is thawed out because you want to brine this for at least 24 hours. If you can get 16 hours, you're good. 24 hours would be best because you want a moist bird, and that's what the brining does. You don't need to rinse it. You just take it from the sink to your bucket and watch that level rise. So I'm gonna bring it up so you can actually see it in the bucket. Now that's our turkey in full brine. You can adjust it. You can add more water to it if you wanted to go over the top of the bird. But I think where we are right now is cool. So that's your turkey brine. And I want to take this off so you can see it up out of here. And that's it. So I'm gonna actually put a top on this and put it to the corner where it can do its magic. You're in Fred's kitchen. We're brining our turkey for Thanksgiving. I'll holler at you later. Bye.